how are you all doing? Hope you are all good because I am good. Okay, so guys, today we are making flaxseed gel. So in making of this flaxseed gel, you'll be needing flaxseed, glycerin, and oil of your choice. Okay, so to my new family member, you guys are welcome. Thank you guys so much for joining the family. Okay, thank you guys a lot. So to my old family, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate. So guys, let's get started. So guys, in making of this flaxseed gel, first of all, I added 200 water into my pot. Then the next step is the flaxseed, the major ingredient for this gel making. So I've already measured the quantity that I want, because you guys know that this is organic. You don't need to keep it for long. At least 1 week or 2 weeks is okay, because this is organic, so you wouldn't want to waste your gel. Okay, because we are not using any preservative. This is organic, pure organic. So the next step, I added my glycerin. Guys, glycerin adds a lot of moisture into our hair. So I added a lot of glycerin because I need that moisture into my hair. I need a lot of that moisture into my hair because this is a winter season, so I need to keep my hair moisturized. Like, my hair dries out like mad. So the next step, I added my argan oil because this is my choice of oil at this moment. I couldn't choose any other oil than argan oil at this point. So I added 1 tablespoon of argan oil. So guys, I keep stirring it to make sure that the consistency is giving me what I want, because I don't want to miss any moment in this gel making. Okay. So I laid the gel to boil for a while. As you can see, our gel is forming already. So guys, at this point our gel is ready. Okay, so the next step is to let the gel cool down a bit before separating it from the seed. So here I'm using my wig cap to separate the gel from the seed. You can use any other thing, maybe white material or your old stocking or new, and use anything you feel like, but just make sure that you are not, I don't know how to put it, but just make sure you are using the right stuff to separate the gel from the seed. Guys, so at this point, or at this moment, my gel looks a bit thick. So if you are making yours, you can add water to make it watery, but I needed my own gel to be thick because I want to use it for deep conditioning. This gel can be used for a lot of things. You can use it for styling, detangling, deep conditioning, pre-shampoo, and other things. So guys, watch to the end to see what I use mine for.